Hello friends, welcome back to my DC Phonics YouTube channel. I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. In this video, I would like to share with you consonant digraph PH. Consonant digraph PH that makes F sound. When consonant P and H comes together, they form a F sound. This is because these words originally come from the Greek language. So let's see the word where consonant digraph PH form a F sound. Phone, phonics, photo, phase, pharma, graph, dolphin, trophy, nephew, elephant. So watch this video again. It will really help you to understand consonant digraph PH that makes F sound. Show your love. Go and subscribe to my DC Phonics channel. Like, share and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.